Hello everyone, today I will show you how to remove or delete section break in Google Docs. Open your Docs file. First I will check section break. Select view option and active show non-printing characters and scroll. Here also section break. Now click here and press delete from your keyboard and section break will remove. See this. Here also continuous section break. Click here this paragraph icon and press delete from your keyboard and delete. Section break already removed. Also I remove this section break. Click before section break this paragraph space and press delete from your keyboard and see this. Section break already removed. In this way you can remove all of this section break from your docs too. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.